Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about Lipton green tea. Lipton's been around forever. I usually purchase their lemon tea, and then I recently started purchasing their other kinds, and they're all really, really good that I've tried so far. So Lipton green tea bags have a delightfully light, fresh, and non-bitter taste that is simply delicious. Definitely true. I don't like green teas that are too bitter, and this certainly isn't. They deliver a really delicious taste. So you just make yourself a cup with the naturally light and fresh taste of Lipton green tea. They blend their tea with young tea leaves, balancing the best of what the green tea leaf has to offer. Their tea blends are made with 100% natural Rainforest Alliance certified tea leaves. They're refreshing and rounded with a smooth and mellow finish that is as flavorful served hot as it is cooled over ice. Made with sunshine and rain, drink in the positivity of an enlivening Lipton pure green tea and be awake for what really matters. Thomas Lipton was a man on a mission to share his passion for tea around the world. He believed that everyone deserved high-quality, great-tasting tea. And over 120 years later, that belief is still what drives us, inspiring more flavors, more varieties, and more love than ever before. Their tea bags are 100% sustainably sourced, what translates into ensuring decent wages for tea farmers around the world, together with access to quality housing, education, and medical care. Your tea is their brighter future. So just wanted to read you a little bit of that, just so you have a little bit of a background knowledge about Lipton and what they're all about. And I just thought that was really interesting, especially the part about the tea blends being made with 100% natural Rainforest Alliance certified tea leaves. And then you could buy these in a smaller or bigger count box, whatever you like. I chose the smaller one just because I wasn't sure if I was 100% gonna like it. Sometimes I could be picky with my tea, but very easy to make. So for a cup of hot green tea, brew in boiling water 1.5 minutes or to desired strength. Remove tea bag, sweeten to taste. For a quart of iced green tea, which you can make too, brew 4 tea bags and 2 cups of boiling water in heat-proof pitcher. Brew 1 to 1.5 minutes. Remove tea bags and sweeten to taste. Stir in 3 cups ice cubes until melted. Keep refrigerated. So for me, I'm just going to do a cup of hot green tea today because I'm just feeling a little bit under the weather. Throat's a little bit scratchy. The weather is starting to change into the fall, so I'm going to go ahead and make a hot one. The assembled product dimensions are 2.53 by 5.81 by 3.92 inches, in case you guys are interested in the size. So it's all natural and naturally protective antioxidants in the green tea, which is also awesome. Like I said, I'm not really feeling that good, so hopefully this will help with that. And I'll just probably maybe add a little bit of honey. There's 35 milligrams of caffeine, so not a whole lot, but at least it's like a little bit of something. So all Lipton teas are Rainforest Alliance certified. This means that Lipton works with the Rainforest Alliance to improve the social, environmental, and economic conditions of the people who grow and pick every leaf in your cup, which I think is really awesome. Lipton currently operates a Rainforest Alliance certified tea estate in Kericho, Kenya, and is committed to worldwide sustainability for Lipton tea. So if you guys just turn over to the back on your tea bag, there's just a little bit more that says, did you know our tea is Rainforest Alliance certified, boiling water at 90 degrees Celsius, and then steep for 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm actually going to go ahead, I do this like the lazy way sometimes. Instead of like taking out my kettle and boiling water, I just get the hot water from my Keurig machine, but it works, honestly, in my opinion, just as well. And I'm just making 1 cup for myself right now, so I don't need to do a whole kettle because I'm probably just going to have 1 cup and have to head out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have my tea bag out. I'm going to see what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my cup. I'm making a really big cup. So just add the hot water on here. Okay, here we go. Continue. And I want as many as this can make. Okay, can make 12 ounces. So that's good. I got the big mug out to kind of get as much as I can. And then on the bag here, it just says Lipton Moments of Balance, and it's got like a little bit of the green on it. And join us, Lipton. And All I'm probably going to add to this is like a little bit of honey. I don't really do extra sugar. I feel like I eat, or just like foods I eat, like if I have yogurt or something, snack bar, they usually have like sugar, so I don't really want to add more like to my drink, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to do a little bit of honey, and that has some natural sweetness to it. And not that this is bitter at all, but like, you know, just kind of balances out the flavor of the green tea, I think, the honey. So probably let this steep for 2 to 3 more minutes, and I will be good to go with my cup of Lipton green tea. So I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you love it. Thanks so much for watching.